If you are working with a team or you have hired someone else and you want to add the developer to your Apple developer account and you want to assign them a role, so in this video I will guide you completely. So let's get started the video. First of all, you have to open App Store, connect.apple.com. After that, you have to log in with your email ID, the one that you have bought using your Apple developer account. Then you have to select your password or sign in with the passkey. After this, you will see the home screen. If there is any agreement that left, you have to accept that agreement in the business tab. So for now, we have to go to users and access. I will click on this option, and now you have a plus button over there. You have to just click on the plus button and you have to enter the developer name and developer email ID, and then you have to select the roles: admin, sales, app manager, marketing, finance, developer, customer support, access to reports, and you have to select and give the access according to their need. After clicking, I will click on admin. I will click on next. Then they will get the email invitation, and then they have to accept, and then they will get access to your developer account. So that's it. So hopefully meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.